And today's meeting,
Vice President Mike Pence met with executives from the cruise industry on Saturday to set standards on how to deal with the growing coronavirus outbreak.
the American people value our cruise line industry. The cruise line industry has a strong public health record and has been a strong partner in maritime security with the United States Coast Guard. Nevertheless, we all recognize the recent challenges posed on the Diamond Princess and the ongoing challenge with the Grand Princess in the spread of the coronavirus. Today, we reached an agreement with the cruise line industry to further enhance entry and exit screening, and also to establish shipboard testing for the coronavirus. New quarantining standards will be coordinated with the CDC for all ships, and we also will be working with the industry as they develop a plan to move any patients that contract the coronavirus or otherwise become seriously ill to land-based facilities.
Out in the international waters off California, thousands remain in limbo aboard the Grand Princess cruise ship, which was barred from docking in San Francisco after some passengers and crew tested positive for the novel coronavirus. Pence on Saturday said the U.S. is tracking another cruise ship that may have shared crew members of the Grand Princess.